In this video, I'll guide you through how to delete data streams in Google Analytics 4. We'll go step by step, so by the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look out for when you want to remove a data stream from your GA4 property. First, open your web browser and go to analytics.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the Google account that has access to the analytics property you want to manage. If you work with multiple accounts or properties, take a quick moment to confirm you're in the correct one, because deleting a data stream affects how data is collected going forward for that specific property. Once you're on the main Google Analytics dashboard for your chosen property, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen for the admin option. It looks like a small gear icon. Click this gear icon to open the admin area. This section is where you manage all of your settings, including properties, data collection, and tracking configurations. So always be a bit careful with the changes you make here. Inside the admin panel, you'll see different columns and sections depending on your access level and account setup. Under the property column, find the section labeled Data Collection and Modification. Within that section, click on Data Streams. This is where GA4 lists all the data streams that are feeding data into your property, such as web, iOS app, or Android app streams. When the data streams page opens, you'll see a list of existing streams associated with that property. Take a moment to identify the specific data stream you want to delete. It might be named after a website domain like a staging or test site or an app. Make sure you choose the correct one, because deleting the wrong stream can interrupt data collection for your live site or app. Once you've found the correct stream, click on it to open its detailed settings page. In the data stream details view, you'll see information like the stream URL or app identifier, measurement ID, and various configuration options. At the top right corner of this screen, look for an icon with 3 vertical dots. This is the More Options menu. Click on the 3 dots to open a small drop-down menu with additional actions you can take for this data stream. From that drop-down menu, select the option that says Delete Stream. When you click Delete Stream, Google Analytics will usually ask you to confirm that you really want to remove it. This is an important safety step to prevent accidental deletions. Read the confirmation message carefully to be sure you're deleting the intended stream, then confirm the deletion. Once confirmed, the data stream will be removed from your list of streams for that property. This means new data will no longer be collected from that stream going forward. Historical data that was already collected typically remains in your reports, but you won't see new hits from that source after deletion. If you ever think you might need the stream again, it can be a good idea to double check whether pausing tracking in your tag setup is enough instead of fully deleting the stream. And that's all there is to it. You went to analytics.google.com, opened the admin area, navigated to data streams under data collection and modification, selected the stream you wanted to remove, opened the 3-dot menu and chose delete stream. Follow these steps anytime you need to clean up unused or test data streams in Google Analytics 4 to keep your property organized and focused on the data that really matters.